When we looked at our long-term plan in the capital equipment sector, we felt we had a service offering gap for our customers, particularly around mechanical MPI. And to that extent, we went and looked at probably 60 companies and we settled on Wolfe. There's lots of reasons why we settled on Wolfe. Number one was capabilities. There's lots of companies in the valley, hundreds of companies in the valley, that do one or maybe two things well.
Wolfe Engineering started strictly in plumbing, exclusively in the semiconductor industry, doing both process plumbing, which is 1/4, 3/8, and 1/2 inch, clean room plumbing, and then the exhaust side, which is 3/4 and up. But the extension was, over time, the customer's demands have changed. When we started, we were essentially a job shop, and the customer only wanted us to build the prints. But over time, the customer has requested additional capabilities, and we've been able to fill them.
What was very interesting about Wolfe Engineering was the breadth of service offering that they have all in one location. We can do machining, fabrication, welding, clean room manufacturing, and electromechanical integration all in one shop. It's a very attractive proposition for me and my customers.
The way the cycle has gone in the valley, it's either feast or famine. You're either booming, and when they're booming, you can't build the things fast enough. But when it goes into a famine stage, they lay off employees. And so what happened on our first go-round was they laid off their assemblers. And they said, now you're building the most difficult part, the plumbing, why don't you just start putting it together? So we went from just building piece parts to now assembling gas boxes and delivering those turnkey. And the next time they had a downturn, they laid off the designers. And so then they said, okay, now that you know more about the gas delivery system than we do, why don't you design it?
It's critical that one of the central tenets of Wolfe is the people that do that every day and exercise that on behalf of Wolfe Engineering are really the reason this company is awesome, and the main reason that we're super excited that they're now part of the Jabil team.